I wouldn't use the word patience firstly, resilience. So patience, you should be impatient. As an entrepreneur, you should be extremely impatient. You try something, it fails, you change, immediately change the strategy, iterate fast. You shouldn't be patient, you'd be resilient. You need to try to keep the burn. You spend as less money as possible, try to get as much things done. So that's your thing. And you're always in a hurry. You're always in a hurry. You have to be. So, भनौँ न 5 जनाको काम 3 जनाले गरेर बसी कम पैसा दिएर त्यसलाई show the problem. I mean, you got to do all kinds of nonsense. You got to do all of these. You have to do.
You got to be emotional.
We have very little resource. The resource is finite and everything's moving. Move fast. You'll be impatient. You'll be fast, but you'll be resilient in the sense like goal. If you see this, लाग्छ गरेर छोड्छु भने चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो त्यो that resilience हैन. In terms of valuation, you buyer seller जहिले पर्छ. There's always like multiples. There's like risk-free capital. There's a lot of things here. I'm saying the cost of capital. There's a lot of things. What's the exit? There's a lot of things here. It's a huge topic. I could go on and on. And so we'll just stop here because you talk about resilience and patience. You have resilience. Yeah. You shouldn't be too patient. You need to be impatient, get things done. Someone chhodyo, dangdung garyo, yo garyo, outsource garyo, ke गर्ने, you just get things done.
That's a really good perspective. Obviously, I was looking at the perspective of, when they're trying to find returns and paisa pananu. But what he said is really true. And so sometimes the problem पनि आउँछ entrepreneurs कि मैले यो सोचेको थिएँ in my mind this works or in हाम्रो partnerको mind मा this works, we will do this. When clearly the writing on the wall is you need to change what you're doing to pivot गर्ने भन्छ हैन and like I said entrepreneur and good entrepreneurs, they will start something and they will, by the time they come to the market, they will have changed it like 10 times.
Yeah.
Very like
100 times.
And you would have met friends like this, who come and say, "Mo yo garra chu," and then after 6 months they're like, "Oh, I changed that to this," and that's sometimes people are like, "Hey, yo khaile yo garcha tyo garcha," but it's also a sign of a good entrepreneur that he's trying to find a way to get the right. It's just that the patience from what I was talking about is from the perspective of trying to get returns and funding. So, yeah, I agree with what Pala said.
Different aspects for a patience.
Of course.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.